This is the Takstar SM8B. It is a condenser microphone that is very affordable, and the best part is it is an XLR microphone, so you can use it with your preamp and get very, very amazing sound quality. Let me tell you why I think this is one of the best microphones you can get in 2022 or even 2023, depending on when you're watching this video. Let's start off with what you get in the box. In the box, you're going to get a foam filter for the microphone. You'll get a mount for you to attach the microphone to your preferred stand of choice, and then you will get the Takstar SM8B microphone itself. The microphone is quite weighty in the hand, and that is because it is made entirely out of metal. It has an amazingly premium build quality, and to be very honest with you, I feel like this is one of the best built microphones that you can get for this price point. It has a blue tally light on the front to tell you when it's recording, and there is nothing else located on the microphone. There are no knobs or buttons because, like I mentioned earlier, it's an XLR microphone, so all your controls are going to be done from your preamp. The audio interface I'm using is the Behringer Euphoria UMC22, and it is a great budget audio interface if you just want to get into recording using your XLR microphones. But if you're more of a professional or you have a bit more cash to splurge, then you can definitely get something from Focusrite or any other brand that makes higher quality preamps or audio interfaces. The audio you've heard up until this point has come from the Takstar SM8B, and while it has been EQ'd and compressed a little, it still sounds good even when it's unprocessed. Keep watching to listen to the raw audio sample. I mentioned earlier that since this is an XLR microphone, it requires an audio interface. It also requires phantom power because it is a condenser microphone. So you're going to need to get an audio interface or a preamp that allows phantom power to be supplied. It has a cardioid polar pattern, meaning it picks up sound the best when it's directly in front of you. So you're going to want to keep that in mind when placing your microphone. You're not going to want to speak into the top of the microphone like this, or into the side, or perhaps at the back, because it's not going to pick up sound in the best way. It also comes with this foam filter to help against plosives, and let's see how effective it is. Peter Piper, plosives, explode, blowfish, Battlestar Galactica, Patrick rambles. Okay, so from what I can see on the my audio recording software, there have probably been some plosives that snuck in there, but that's probably because the gain is a little high and the microphone is close to my mouth. Let me take off the pop filter and we will see if it actually does much to help against plosives. The filter itself is not really thick. It's not, of a really high quality. So you might want to get another pop filter when you get this microphone. Peter Piper, Patrick rambles, Battlestar Galactica, blowfish, subscribe to the channel. And let me know in the comment section below if you noticed any difference or if you think the pop filter did help prevent any plosives in the audio. Now I'm going to compare this microphone to the other condenser microphones I have used. I think this one might have an advantage seeing as it's XLR and the others were USB, but let me know what you think in the comments below. I'm going to put this against the JLab Talk Go, the Fifine Ampli-Game, the Toner TC30, and I think that's it. Have I used another microphone? I think that's it.
All right, so this is the audio coming from the Yodo USB mic without a foam filter or a pop filter. This is directly from the microphone to your ears. If I successfully manage to match it up with the video and I do not screw anything up. So fingers crossed. By the way, all the audio you've heard in this video has been coming straight from the Fifine Ampli-Game without any sort of tempering or noise reduction or additional gain or whatnot. I'm not touching this audio in any way whatsoever. And if after recording I realize there were some problems, I will just leave some graphics below to show you what I did to the audio, if I did decide to do anything. if I did decide to do anything. Interesting. This microphone has a cardioid polar pattern, meaning the best sound quality comes from directly in front of the microphone, as if you speak anywhere else around it, your voice will not sound very amplified at all. And as expected, the closer you get to the microphone, the better your voice sounds, or the crisper your voice sounds. And now that you've heard all those samples, let me know in the comment section which one you think sounded the best. Of course, they had all been EQ'd to different degrees, so I think your results might vary depending on your audio processing skill. But yeah, let me know what the sound quality of the lapel mic as opposed to just having the transmitter on my chest sounds like. Which sounds better? And I apologize for all the noise you're probably hearing. There's some construction going on outside. You know what? Let's actually take this outside and see just how well this microphone set cancels out external noises. Okay, so this is how the pocket wireless set sounds when I'm outside. There are a couple of guests in the environment, so you're gonna get to see some of them really soon. Yes, that is one of them. In fact, let's go see if he has something to say. So this is the audio quality you can expect to get from the Takstar SM8B without any noise reduction, without any compression or equalization. This is what you get once you plug it directly into your audio interface and you start recording. I'm recording using Adobe Audition, but you can also record using Audacity or any other audio recording program. I think you might be able to pick up some of the noise coming from my laptop fans or maybe some noise from the preamp, but if you've got some good audio recording software, then you will be able to get rid of that kind of noise very easily. Let me know if you think the audio quality actually does sound good. I think it's pretty decent, and it only gets better when you edit it or do some audio production. So those were all samples from the microphones I have used previously. Let me know which one you think sounded best in the comments below. I really hope it was this one. If it's not, then I probably did something wrong while compressing the audio. You can find links to purchase the Takstar SM8B in the description box below if you're interested. And if you're looking for a USB microphone, then you can check out my review of the Fifine Ampli game right here.
Oh yeah. Hey, yeah. Said we drunk in the spirit, no, we don't stay sober. We don't stay sober. Hey, fly as a jet, but with no layovers. With no layovers. Ah, yeah. Hey, look, we finna break boulders. Hey, we finna break boulders. Yeah. Cause this a takeover. Hey, this a takeover. Yeah, now what's the plan? What happened? I feel like Jackie Chan, man, I'm all about the action, you know.